All right, folks, breaking news. Apparently I'll feel naked without my nanobot programmable flying suit and invisibility cloak. I mean, who wouldn't want to soar through the skies and disappear at will? Am I right? Oh, I can't leave the house without my nanobots and invisibility gear. Fashion is so 2022. The real trend is nanobots and cloak couture. Picture this. I'm strutting down the solar charging sidewalks in my invisible nanobot suit, charging my gadgets with every step. Talk about a futuristic fashion statement. Houston, we have liftoff. Nanobots, engage. Cue the dramatic takeoff sequence as I soar into the skies, leaving behind those mundane telephone poles like yesterday's news. But wait, there's more. With the tap of a button, I activate the invisibility cloak. Now you see me, now you don't. The ultimate disappearing act. Imagine the possibilities. The invisible comedian, cracking jokes from the shadows, leaving people wondering, is that laughter or just the wind? Now here's the kicker, folks. I'll feel naked without these gadgets of the future. The nanobot suit and invisibility cloak aren't just accessories, they're necessities. Who needs a phone when you can just program your nanobots to send a text with a blink? Hey buddy, meet me at the solar charging bench in 5 blinks. It's like telepathy, but with style. And now, as I navigate the wild world of fashion-forward technology, I must remind you to hit that subscribe button because let's face it, nanobot suits and invisibility cloaks are cool, but is even cooler. That's a wrap, my fellow fashion-forward futurologists. Subscribe, support us on Patreon for even more behind-the-scenes nanobot shenanigans. And remember, fashion fades, but comedy and nanobots are forever. Stay invisible, stay subscribed, and keep laughing with.